This video is about USHCN temperature data. Several chart images will illustrate the difference between raw temperature measurements and FLS.52J, which is NOAA's modified data. The following chart images were created from an Excel workbook. The data in the workbook was downloaded from the United States Historical Climate Network, USHCN, and converted into an Excel spreadsheet using an application called Climate History. The documentation for creating the data is available in another video. The raw maximum temperature measurements are represented by the solid blue line, while the dashed line indicates a 10-year moving average, providing a clearer visualization of the trend. The NOAA modified FLS.52J maximum temperatures are depicted by the solid line, and the dashed line represents a 10-year average, offering a more distinct visualization of the temperature trend. When comparing the maximum data sets, the subsequent slide will show a merger of the two charts. Note the transition of the modified data from initially being cooler than the raw data to gradually becoming hotter, accelerating until the final data point is reached. NOAA adjusted historical temperature data, making it appear cooler in earlier years and warmer in later years, which would result in an upward trend in temperature lines rather than a downward one. Plotting the differences. The next slide will feature a plot illustrating the differences between the solid red line, representing modified data, and the solid blue line, representing raw data, from the previous slide, to demonstrate the extent of the NOAA data adjustments over time. NOAA adjusted the temperatures for earlier years, decreasing them by 1.28 degrees Fahrenheit in 1937, and increased the temperatures for recent years, adding 2.01 degrees Fahrenheit in 2020. The published data are not the original temperature measurements, but rather adjustments to those measurements to align the temperatures with NOAA's computer models. My name is William T. Block. You can follow me on X. Thanks for watching my video.